Hi students. So off late and a lot of queries are coming to us on the NEET mentors comment section asking everybody how do we make use of this concept digital app and the மாதிரி concept digital web learning platform னு சொல்லிட்டு. Okay. So என்னன்னா just to let the others also know, concept digital is an initiative by concept learning. So NEET mentors channel, whoever is the faculty team, right? The same team is also responsible for this concept digital app. Then you can download this from the Google Play Store. Google Play Store kulla poitu you can just type concept digital, the C oda symbol paathukonga. So download pannittu you will be able to access whatever the courses and other learning resources that we will be able to provide. And the மாதிரி you can also access this app அதை download பண்ண முடியலன்னா you can also access this from the web platform itself. நான் அது காமிக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. Okay. So main என்னன்னா we'll go through what are the resources that are there in concept digital and for which category of students. Category and சொன்னா it is not like it's not about the merit category அந்த மாதிரி ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. It is more about at what point of preparation you are. Depending on that, what kind of resource will be useful and so we'll take a look at that. Okay. So first, we'll just go to the web platform. So I'm not taking you through the mobile app because this will be more convenient for me to take you through. As it is, mobile app இந்த மாதிரி தான் வரும் interface. Okay, so even you guys might be more convenient with mobile app, so easily you can navigate through it. But paranga, so first once you get into the concept digital, you will have to create an account. Create panna madiri varum. That will be a free account only. Using your mobile number and the email ID, you can create the account. Adukapra enna we will have this selection tool irukum. Like suppose we are preparing for NEET and vechkonga, then we will be choosing NEET medical. Okay, adukolla enna we will have all these courses which are NEET related. So we will just go through one by one. First paranga, we have this mixed bag test and solite. This is for the +1 completed student. And ulla pona enna we will have 41 tests which are all based on the +1 syllabus. இது யாருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this is for the students who are done with +1. ஏன்னா +1 முடிச்சிட்டு +2 போறாங்க தெரியுமா, அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய சேலஞ்ச் என்னன்னா for the next full 1 year, right, கிட்டத்தட்ட they will not be getting sufficient time to revise the +1 topics. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும், there is always a chance for the students to forget. நம்ம +1ல படிச்சதெல்லாம் you might be able to lose all that command. So to address that, right, week on week you can take this mixed bag test series. இதுல இருந்து ஒரு benefit என்னன்னா you will not lose the touch with that +1 topics. அதுக்காக தான் மெயினா. So this will be a 1 hour test, 3 hour test கிடையாது, NEET மாடல் தான் இருக்கும். அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி the number of questions will be reduced. So biology ஒரு 30 questions, physics 15 and chemistry 15, totally 60 questions 1 hour. As it is NEET model, negative marking அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். Okay, so this is about the mixed bag test series. It's a free course, free away you can just join. Then we will go to that NEET medical, select panna, we will have the target NEET course. It's a paid course. This is for the self-paced learning and solu. Suppose I am going for a regular classroom program. On top of it, I am looking for some kind of an self-paced learning. This will be useful for the students. Okay, it's a paid course. இதுல என்னென்ன வரும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா you will have chapter wise theory or synopsis, அந்த material notes அதெல்லாம் இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் you will have chapter wise detailed video lectures. Then you will have ஒரு chapterலயே you will have 2 type of test. Chapter base பண்ணி you will have 2 type of test. Concept test ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். That will be to check how good you are in terms of the conceptual clarity ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. அதுக்கப்புறம் you will also have NEET model test. Like ஒரு chapterலயே you might have some 5-6 tests. ஏன்னா some chapters, right, you might be confident after taking one test. So ஒரு சில chapters you might not be confident just after taking 1 or 2 tests. You might want to take more number of tests. So adella it will be available for you. You can take multiple number of tests even on chapter wise also. Adukapram there will be full tests also available. Additional practice kaga you will have practice sheets and DPPs chapter wise. And the madri past year questions or archives like past 33 years papers adella you will have all these things including video lectures also. So idan or comprehensive package madri which you can do at your own pace. Okay ma, so this is about the target NEET course. Idhula or point enna theriyuma, see kandipa if you are going for a paid course nu sonna you will have the contact number on that concept digital kolliye you will have the contact number of the admissions person. Avanga contact panna they will give you all these details. But inga parunga, I want to highlight on the second part enna even this in the paid course kulla you will have a unlimited free trial option. Adana theriyuma, you can access the materials and the madri you can access sample test for each chapter. And in a paid version kulla pona you will get unlimited test. But even with a trial version, right, unlimited trial, okay, you will be able to take at least minimum 1 month test per chapter you can take up. And the madri you will have access to the sample video lectures of every chapter. And you will not be having the complete detailed video lecture, but you will have access to sample video lectures of each chapter. So this will be available for a student even if you going for the trial part of it. Okay, so if we will come to the selection paranga. Next enna rapid NEET revision and solid. And inga the NEET target, right, you can start at any point of time. Inga +1 beginning lende you can start that. Okay, so inga paranga rapid NEET revision and solid. This is a series of NEET relevant question review videos and a chapter wise paranga physics agatum or and madri chemistry agatum or even biology ladana you will have or chapter landu or 20 questions or 30 questions NEET relevant questions adoda review irukum. And the madri you will also have access to some revision like quick revision NCERT as it is revision and the madri. Okay, so for bio or chemistry whatever is quick revision modules available, right, adella it will be available for you. Either this can be taken by students at any stage, like even +1 beginning you can take it. And this is more to look at what kind of chapter wise questions that you need to be focusing on, what models of questions you have to be focusing on. Okay, so this is also a free course. Adutha paranga, we have the NEET test series. Okay, so then it's a free series only. It will have a set of 30 tests, detailed solutions adella available irukum. Okay, so this is mostly for students who are done with the syllabus mudichittu who are looking for the full syllabus practice, right. For those this NEET test series will be useful. Adukapram we have these live sessions for class 11th and so later. This is actually a paid course. Idenna this is a course where you will have live interactive, like like nama regular physical classroom la eppadi you will have the live interactive classes and the madri you will have a live interactive model of teaching. Okay, so weekly you will have a schedule or 9 hours madri schedule irukum. 3 hours bio, 3 hours physics, 3 hours chemistry. You will have the complete program and it will be like a regular classroom la poi eppadi you will go for a classroom program and the madri, but it will be online live interactive. Faculty kuda pesala or faculty kuda you can ask questions directly. Adella you will have access in this live interactive classes. So when you can even look at some sample lectures, and then if you are interested in this you can talk to that admission executive kitta neenga pesala. You will get further details about the courses. Adutha paranga, so ena because we all keep saying past year questions kandipa practice pannonu solittu NEET kaga, but often when you look at these past year idu neenga paatha you will get stuck and the solution in the textbook or in the reference idula. When you look at the solution, right, adu eppadi nama approach pannanum solittu we will keep getting stuck. Adukaga enna we have these detailed lecture videos. So ஒரு chapter liye you will have all these lecture videos of past 33 years or so, including 2020 paper analysis. Okay, So then you can start using this course. This is also a free course. You can start using the course right from the beginning of the plus 1 itself. I mean, even if you are a plus 2 student or even if you are a student who is taking 1 year extra for the NEET preparation, you can also use this course. Okay, so chapter based panni you will have all these past year complete video lectures irukum, you can go through. Okay, so instead of going through a book with solutions, right, in the video lectures நீங்க go through பண்ணா you will get எப்படி faculty இந்த questions approach பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகே, பாருங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபைனல் என்னன்னா, this is a thing that some of the students are asking, sir என்ன சார் இது big book ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு, why you have not kept it in the regular? ஏன்னா because big books என்ன தெரியுமா, these are a set of practice books தான். என்னது, these are a set of practice books. okay, பட் எதுக்காக நம்ம இதை ஒரு தனியா போட்டிருக்கோம்னா, because this is not actually the books that are developed by concept learning. Concept learning faculties develop பண்ண resources கிடையாது. okay, but என்னன்னா, this is a resource that is used by a lot of staff or faculties who are involved in setting up of these papers for competitive examinations. அதுக்காக தான் நீங்க இந்த இதுக்குள்ள போய் பார்த்தா you will see that it will not be a regular soft copy மாதிரி இருக்காது, it will be like a scanned book மாதிரி. இதுல ஒரு பியூட்டி என்னன்னா, you will have questions particularly for the physics and chemistry தான். you will have questions starting from ground zero ன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஒரு பேசிக் கான்செப்ட் லெவல்ல இருந்து எப்படி how do you form questions, அந்த இதுல you will be able to understand எப்படி question form ஆகும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ இது நீங்க ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ண வச்சுக்கோங்க, you can definitely target. ஏன்னா because கண்டிப்பா lot of us will aim to get 360 out of 360 in bio. அந்த மாதிரி if you want to really target full out of full in physics and chemistry ன்னா you can use these resources. இது என்ன practice books தான். okay, like you will have chapter wise இருக்கும். you can even beginning of the plus 1 ல இருந்து you can use this. okay, so these resources are not available nowadays in the market. அதுக்காக தான் we have made it as a separate big book ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. இதுல நிறைய questions இருக்கும். ஒரு சாப்டர்லயே you will have like ஒரு கிட்டத்தட்ட 500 questions மாதிரி வரும். so level 0, level 1 அந்த மாதிரி, like you will have all the questions starting from very very basic level ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். so இது நீங்க practice பண்ணா, ஏன்னா some of the students, right, you will feel that sir நான் அந்த practice book எடுத்துட்டு சால்வ் பண்ணா I am not able to solve the problems. கிளாஸ்ல ஃபுல்லாவே புரிய மாதிரி இருக்கும், பட் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணும்போது ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு கெட் ஸ்டார்டட் ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு திஸ் இஸ் அ யூசுவல் query that lot of students will come with. அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு என்ன, கண்டிப்பா நீங்க இந்த பிக் புக்ல இருந்து நீங்க ப்ராக்டிஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணா இட் வில் பி வெரி வெரி யூ கேன் என்ன லெவல், அந்த இனிஷியல் லெவல்ஸ் எல்லாம் உங்களால கண்டிப்பா சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். அந்த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வச்சு யூ கேன் கோ அண்ட் சால்வ் தி நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவல். அந்த ஐடியாஸ், அந்த கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் இட் வில் ஆட் ஃபார் யுவர் ஓவரால் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் லெவல். okay, so paranga, this is another very useful resource in terms of physics and chemistry part. okay, so these are all the courses or resources that are available on the Concept Digital. paranga, if you have any queries on this, you will also have kela pona you will also have a chat with us option irukum. and the you will also have the email id, you can write to the email id and get more information. okay, so hope this is useful for you nanikira. even if you have any further queries or further clarifications required anna, you can always type it in the comments section in the video kile. you can just type it in the comment section and we will try to respond to that. okay, so all the very best and neenga download panikonga like from the Google Play Store Concept Digital app, same as it is ipo nama பார்த்த மாதிரி you will have same kind of interface that you will see in the mobile app also. okay, so all the very best for your preparation.